This is Bangladesh now. We're still letting a lot of the negative sort of storytelling happening, it's still continuing in the world. And I think now is the time because there are people who can make that difference to change that narrative for Bangladesh. If something wasn't right, if something didn't feel right to you, the way you communicate it is one of the most important things that I think people can take away from. So that's always, I think, one of the most important things for us to do here, because I find a lot of people don't do that enough, whether you're the boss or you're the employee. So that's a wonderful lesson. I had a different journey, as in I studied abroad and I came back. So the kind of perceptions that people have of Bangladesh globally is something that I think that we can collectively work towards. Why is it important? I think it's extremely important for a lot of different reasons that could even benefit on a wider scale of things, such as economic benefits that we receive in this country. Everywhere I go, whether people from various different organizations that are international, they're like, you guys don't know how to brand your country collectively. That's a direct feedback that I get. But when you look at garments, right? When they go on various different aid places, same goes with my family or my father, they face a lot of different barriers that is to do with how we have as a country positioned ourselves. And there's a lot to work on, a lot that we can do collectively in terms of how we create a story and what the global narrative of Bangladesh is. Ei duitar chhara, there are not many things that people know about our country. But there's a lot that we can offer, For example, if you're talking about innovation, it's wonderful to see যে Bangladesh, we actually skipped the credit card bit and directly went for mobile banking. That in itself is a big leap. There's a lot that we can do in technology in a place where there isn't much infrastructure ready already in order for us to catch up to the rest of the world. There's a lot of local heritage that we can look at that if we know how to package it properly, we'll get a lot of global recognition. But for us, we're not working, and that's what I feel, and the feedback I'm receiving as well, we're not working towards an entire collective narrative like that is looking at all the different sectors and trying to wrap it up together and say, no, this is Bangladesh now. We're still letting a lot of the negative sort of storytelling happening, it's still continuing in the world. And I think now is the time because there are people who can make that difference to change that narrative for Bangladesh. I don't want to delve into what the government can do. There's a lot that can be done, but I think we have seen time and again private sector hold up their own always. So I think for us, private sectors sort of going and bringing out and creating a global narrative is extremely important. And for individuals that we have who are young people, for them to focus a lot more on creativity, on innovation, on ensuring they are sort of part of something that is creating a positive impact in Bangladesh, and using the social media tools that you're talking about to constantly portray that, the positivity, and taking it outside on a global stage, I think is very important. I think my suggestion would be to focus on innovation. I think we look at a lot of things where we try to see, acha eta bhalo choltese, let's do this. Or this is the company to go to, that's what everyone's going towards, not necessarily connected to passion or not necessarily connected to what they're genuinely good at. I think if they are genuinely good at something, if they are passionate about something, if they innovate in that and stay towards that path, I think that can make a lot more meaningful change in the future of the country.